Elementor versus Landingi, which one is the best landing page software? Let's dive in and explore these two popular platforms so you can make an informed decision. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a better alternative that could save you time and money, something you won't want to miss. First thing, Elementor. This WordPress plugin has been a game changer for many users. Its drag and drop functionality is intuitive, making it easy for beginners to design stunning landing pages. Elementor has a large library of pre-designed templates and widgets, which helps speed up the design process. It also has a free version, which is pretty generous compared to many other tools out there. But here's the catch. While it's perfect for people already on WordPress, it's not the most ideal choice if you're looking for something that works well outside of WordPress. You're locked into the WordPress ecosystem, which could be a downside for some. Next thing, Landingi. This platform doesn't require WordPress, and that's a big plus if you want a tool that works independently. Landingi offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder and a wide range of templates too. It also comes with integrated features for A/B testing, email marketing, and even CRM integrations, which could be crucial for lead generation. But here's where it falls short, the pricing structure. The basic plans don't come with as many advanced features, and if you want to unlock more, the cost quickly adds up. This can be frustrating for people who want an all-in-one platform without breaking the bank. The third thing to consider is speed. Both platforms give you decent loading times for landing pages, but Elementor, being a plugin, might slow down your website depending on how many other plugins you have installed. Landingi, being standalone, tends to have better performance in this regard, especially when it comes to scalability for larger campaigns. So, if speed and performance are crucial for your business, Landingi could have the edge here. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Elementor shines in its user interface. It's clean, simple, and highly customizable. That said, it can be overwhelming if you're new to web design because of the sheer amount of options. Landingi, on the other hand, has a more streamlined experience. It's easier for first-time users to jump right in, but the trade-off is that some of the customization options aren't as advanced, which could be limiting if you need a lot of flexibility. Next thing, customer support. Elementor has a solid community, but official support can sometimes be a bit slow depending on your plan. If you're using the free version, good luck getting a fast response. Landingi offers better direct support for all users, which could be a deal breaker for those who value quick resolutions. The fourth thing, pricing. Elementor is free for basic features, but to get the full suite, you'll need the pro version. This can add up over time, especially if you need multiple sites. Landingi's pricing model starts off more expensive, but it includes a lot of features from the get-go. So, while Elementor can seem like a more affordable option initially, once you factor in the need for premium plugins and other add-ons, it may not be the most cost-effective in the long run. So, here's the deal. Elementor versus Landingi, both are great tools, but there's a better solution for people looking for high-quality landing pages without the restrictions of either. After trying both myself, I recommend you check out the free trial of the platform in the first link in the description. It offers more flexibility, a better pricing structure, and exclusive benefits only available through our link. If you want to take your landing page game to the next level, don't wait. Try it now and let us know what you think.